Hello, I'm going to do a series of mini pre-recorded webinars that cover the basics of how to fill out the grant application. These webinars are going to be categorized by sections as noted in the application. The 2017 Community-Based Juvenile Services Aid application for both the CB and EB grant program was released on October 3, 2016. This webinar will cover Section 1 and Section 2 of the grant application. Section 1 overall did not change. The only difference is that the left column here does not include the pointers or tips on how to fill the application out. This information is all included on page 10 of the request for application. The lead county or tribe is the county or tribe serving as the official applicant. If a group of counties or tribes are combining their funds, only one county or tribe can be designated as that lead county or lead tribe. This must be the county or tribe that is receiving and dispersing the grant funds. The Federal Employer Identification Number. It must be that of the county or tribe that is serving as the applicant or lead agency. You may apply for an employer identification number on the IRS website. However, you are using that lead county or tribe's number and should therefore check with the clerk or the county or tribe office when applying for these funds. Here you would list the title of the project, and that encompasses the overall project, all the programs and services that are being served by your county or tribe. The list of partnering counties or tribes are counties and tribes who agree through a memorandum of understanding to receive funds and provide services as outlined in the grant application. A memorandum of understanding is an acknowledgement by and between each county and the lead county that is joining funds under one grant application. The project director is the individual who will serve as the main point of contact and will receive all grant correspondence. It is required that the project director and project coordinator be different individuals. The project coordinator is another point of contact in addition to the project director. The project coordinator is included in on all correspondence related to requirements and training. These two positions, the project director and project coordinator, must be different. In the event that the project director is off for a few months, the Crime Commission needs to have another point of contact that understands the program and project that's being funded. The fiscal officer can only be the lead county or lead tribe's fiscal officer and cannot be the project director, the same person as the project director or project coordinator. The clerk or treasurer are typically listed as the fiscal officer. And then the authorized official is the county board chair or tribal council chair of the lead county or lead tribe applying for funds. As a note, all zip codes included on this section must include the 5-digit zip code plus the additional 4 digits of the zip code. Section 2 is the budget summary. Here you will indicate the total amount of grant funds requested in each category. Provide budget numbers by rounding up or down to the nearest dollar. Do not use cents. You will receive a contingency if you do not round up or down to the nearest dollar. Ensure that your match is applied in the correct category. Remember, match must be that expenditures of the county or tribe. The other cost category has been removed this year. If you have any questions regarding placement of costs, contact the Community-Based Juvenile Services Aid Division, and Danny McGowan or Cynthia Kennedy would be happy to help you. For the CB grant application, your allotment and required match amount by the county or tribe is found on the last 3 pages of the request for application. Please double check and recalculate figures before submitting this form. If the budget on page 2 is incorrect, that means you will have several contingencies because the overall budget will be incorrect throughout the entire application. Again, please round up or down to the nearest dollar. Do not use cents. When applying for EB funds, you calculate match on your own. Match dollars are not 10% of the amount you are requesting. What match dollars are is they are 10% of the total project cost. So how do you calculate 10% of the total project cost if you don't know it yet? Let's say, for example, that you are requesting $15,000 in EB funds. So get your calculator out, please, and take $15,000 divided by 9. That equals $1,667. This is your match amount. This is what you would put right here and make sure to account appropriately for it in each category. So when you add $15,000 plus $1,667, that equals $16,667, which now you can see that 10% of that figure is indeed $1,667. The second table listed here on section 2 of the budget summary is a certification. It's agreeing that the authorized official for this project is hereby certifying that all the information in the application is accurate, and they are hereby agreeing to comply with all provisions of the grant program and all applicable state and federal laws. And again, just as a note, the authorized official must be the county board chair or tribal council chair. And again, if more than one county or tribe is participating in the grant application, then the signature of the lead county board chair or lead tribal council chair is required. Ensure that you fill out all the information and you type it into the application. Name of authorized official, their title, their address, their city, state, and zip, 5 digits plus the 4, their telephone. We need a signature and the date. And this concludes sections 1 and 2 of the 2017 Community-Based Juvenile Services Aid Grant application.